There's no accident in how you found this video. The truth is, you're part of a small, rare group of individuals who have tuned in at exactly the right moment. You're here because you're ready to step into something extraordinary. The truth about creation, the truth about the power you hold within yourself, and the truth that most people overlook. That your reality is shaped by what you believe, think, and feel. Right now, you're not just a passive observer. You've entered creator mode. Yes, you heard that right. You are one of the few, a select group of individuals, who has the ability to shape and mold your reality consciously. Most people go through life on autopilot, believing the world happens to them, but you are different. You're aware that you are the creator of your world, that every thought, every belief, every emotion you hold has the power to mold your reality. And once you fully grasp this, you'll start seeing just how much you can control. When you realize that you are the creator of your own experience, the limitations that once seemed so real start to dissolve. Life isn't random. It's not about luck or chance. What happens in your life is a direct result of what you consistently focus on, think about, and believe. Whether you realize it or not, you're always creating, but you can become conscious of your creative power. This moment right now, watching this video, is not a coincidence. It's part of the process. It's your subconscious mind opening up to a new reality, a reality where you realize that you've always had the ability to change things. You've always had the power to create the life you desire. So, don't doubt it. If you've clicked on this video, it means something deep inside of you knows this truth. The world around you is a reflection of the thoughts and beliefs you hold. Every situation, every encounter, every event you experience is the result of your inner world being projected outward. You've likely heard this before, but it's time to truly understand it. You don't need to keep waiting for the world to change for you. You can change the world by changing how you see it. The power of creation lies within you. It's not something external that you need to look for. It's already here, in your thoughts, in your imagination, in your beliefs. The moment you accept this truth, things begin to shift. You'll notice opportunities where there once seemed to be none. You'll find answers to questions you've been pondering. You'll begin to see things you've never noticed before. Your reality is shifting, and it's shifting because you're now aware of your creative power. Most people go through life thinking they have to follow a set path, that their reality is fixed and unchangeable. But this is the great illusion. It's the lie that holds so many people in place, trapped in cycles of lack, limitation, and struggle. They believe that the world controls them, that their circumstances determine who they are and what they can do. But you now know better. You know that by changing your perception, by changing your thoughts, by changing your beliefs, you can change everything. The truth is simple, you are the creator. Your mind is the tool, and your beliefs are the blueprint. Just as an artist creates a masterpiece, you can create your life. You can shape every aspect of your world by aligning your thoughts and beliefs with what you desire. Whether you're aware of it or not, you've always been doing this. But now, you're awake to it. You're conscious of it. And that's where the magic happens. But let's take it a step further. Knowing that you're the creator is just the beginning. The next step is to harness this power. It's not enough to simply acknowledge it, you must begin to use it intentionally. You have to be deliberate with your thoughts. You have to watch your emotions, because they are your guideposts. Your feelings are signals, telling you whether you're aligned with your desires or not. When you feel good, when you feel at peace, when you feel empowered, you are in alignment with your creative power. When you feel fear, doubt, or frustration, you are out of alignment. Your feelings are your indicator of where you stand in relation to your desires. And when you can master your feelings, you can master your reality. This process isn't difficult. In fact, it's simpler than most people realize. It starts with awareness. It starts with recognizing that your thoughts and feelings are the tools of creation. Once you are aware of this, you can begin to consciously direct your thoughts toward what you want, rather than what you don't want. The key is focus. Whatever you focus on expands. If you focus on lack, you will get more lack. If you focus on abundance, you will get more abundance. This is the law of creation. And here's the truth, you're already experiencing the results of your thoughts and beliefs. Take a moment and look around you. What do you see? Is it what you want? If not, don't be discouraged. The beauty of this process is that you can change it at any time. You have the power to reshape your world, to create the life you desire. The world outside of you will always reflect what's happening inside of you. If you want to see a change, you must first change yourself. You must change your thoughts, your beliefs, and your emotions. This isn't a one-time thing, it's a daily practice. Every day, you are creating. Every moment, you are shaping your reality. The key is to be conscious of it, to be intentional about it, and to believe in your power to create. You don't need to rely on external circumstances to change your life. You don't need to wait for someone else to change. The change begins within you. The moment you decide that you are the creator, you step into a new reality. Your world begins to shift to reflect your new beliefs. Your power lies in your ability to choose your thoughts, to choose your beliefs, and to choose your emotions. This is what separates the 1% from the 99%. The 1% understands that they are the creators of their reality. They understand that they don't need to follow the crowd, they don't need to wait for things to change. They know that their world will change when they change. They know that their thoughts and beliefs are the keys to their success. They are the creators, and they use their creative power intentionally. You, too, are part of this 1%. You've always been a creator, but now you're fully awake to it. Now, you can begin to shape your world with purpose and intention. Don't let the world tell you who you are. Don't let anyone or anything limit you. You are the creator. And once you realize this, nothing can stop you. Life is not about waiting for opportunities to knock on your door. It's about knowing that every moment you live is a chance to create something new. Every time you take control of your thoughts and emotions, you're shaping your future. It's not about perfection. It's about direction. The direction in which your thoughts are constantly flowing will determine the course of your life. If your thoughts are scattered, uncertain, or filled with negativity, you will see that reflected in your life experiences. But if you focus on what you want, your desires, your dreams, your goals, that is what will begin to manifest. One of the most powerful things you can do is begin to take responsibility for your thoughts. This doesn't mean blaming yourself for past circumstances but understanding that the past is no longer relevant. You have the power to decide, right now, how your future will unfold. The key is understanding that the external world doesn't dictate your worth or your potential. You dictate your potential, and you can start creating it right now. Life doesn't happen to you. It happens through you, through your thoughts, your beliefs, and your emotions. Another crucial aspect of the creative process is trust. Trust that the universe, or whatever force you believe in, is responding to your inner world. You may not always see immediate results, and that's okay. Trusting the process is essential. Just because things aren't showing up immediately doesn't mean you're not creating. The law of creation doesn't work on a set timetable. Your thoughts and beliefs are planting seeds, and in time, they will grow into the reality you've chosen. The more you align your thoughts and actions with your true desires, the more things will start aligning in your favor. People, opportunities, and circumstances will begin to show up in your life that match the frequency of your beliefs. This isn't a coincidence. This is the natural law of creation at work. You are the magnet, attracting to you everything that resonates with your inner state. Take a moment to think about the power of your imagination. What have you envisioned for your life? What do you desire? Your imagination is your creative tool, your connection to the infinite possibilities of your life. Don't underestimate the power of a vivid mental image. Your imagination is the blueprint for your reality. What you see in your mind's eye is the foundation of what will appear in your life. So, nurture it. Be mindful of the images you create in your mind.